Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Inshane Designs. We are on day 3 of Project StreetSpeed717's Dirty Max. We have the layouts here. We have Dan here. He's going to go over and explain what he did and the process that he did to start producing the panels. So I'll let you introduce what you did there, Dan.
Yeah. To recap, back on showing you guys the design that we came up with. First, redesigned made the Duramax in Illustrator.
Pretty much recreated the template, the vector template to go off of. It's pretty spot on to his actual truck, even down to the wheels.
Wow. So we got the layout all ready. Now we're moving on to, and we sectioned out the entire vehicle panel by panel. See here.
This is definitely a lot more organized than what I would have done, so.
We got our measurements all set up. Next would be moving over to the printer. This will be the driver's side cab.
And how long does that take to print out?
Depends on the size. Usually we're about, I don't know, this will probably take about 15, 20. I think this is the bed.
Yeah, the cab.
Yeah, all right, so yeah, it'd probably take about 15, 20 minutes. But just to go over, we have 2 different softwares, 2 different computers. This is obviously a PC where we design on the Mac, which is in the office. What we have to do is we design on the Mac, and then we send it through the file server to the RIP software, which we are using Onyx RIP. And this is what tells the printers what to print. So pretty much we have to open everything we save, click the printer we want to use, go in, find the file we saved it as, rip it, and then print it. And then after it's done with this process, we have the laminator stage for you guys to show you that we laminate everything ourselves. This is the difference between printed design and solid colors. The solid colors already come with a laminate that is chemically bonded with it, so this we have to do it ourselves. So we have it ready. We're going to show you how we just run it through, and then it'll go to the table, trim it up, over to the truck we go. Got that side? Yep.
Awesome.
Yeah. Now this is a cold laminator, but we actually have heat capabilities as well. So we have it set at like 95. Usually you can set it to like 100, 103, but we found this is pretty reasonable. But set the heat. You can do it cold. We actually have been doing it cold. It's just we ran into it cold. See that right there? We're gonna actually turn the heat up. So then this would be the trimming process. We trim out the panel, get rid of all the excess waste, and then from here, we go over to the actual vehicle, which we'll walk over here where Curtis is prepping our first panel that we're going to install. So our common procedure for prepping the vehicle is first go over with clay bar, then go over, hand wipe it down, feel with your hand, rub over with the wet. You feel any nastiness, just keep hitting it again, like right here. That's a stone chip. Oh, nope. Curtis. What? Some of these are stone chips, but after we do that, We go over a final knockdown with the rag and the cleaner, and then we'll place the panel and start installing. So this is the first piece we're going to start with, and then
The hood.
yeah, we'll start with the hood, and then we'll work our way down.
Nice. You're taking the tailgate wrap off?
Yep. So pretty much it's ready to come off without that. I know a lot of people said leave the tailgate on. We'll take it off for now and then put it back on. Pretty simple. He said screw a step ladder. This is actually nice. It is. It's nice having an illegal offset, huh? Stop, baby.
What's actually the limit?
Can't stick out more than like an inch past the fender or something like that.
Not even, like 3/4 of an inch maybe.
Don't quote me on that.
I actually, no, what are we talking about? You can't stick out past the fenders at all. It's illegal. See, look at this one. The wheels stick out a little bit, but we're running a little bit of a stretch tire, so theoretically the tire's under the wheel well.
This car is so sick.
Yeah, I know, I love it. Loop it. So we got our rags in. They're from a company called The Rag Company. So shout out to those guys. Their rags are unbelievable. Definitely a step up from what we were using in the past. So we'll be ordering. They sent us a sample of some of their rags, and a lot of people don't know about the, what is it, 80-20 blend in the product. So this actually looks really nice. Doesn't really scratch the car. We're gonna take a semi-used dirty rag to get on the inside here. That is why you get under there. That's disgusting.
It's all about the prep, right?
Yeah, I mean, look how the cleaner's like turning black. Just squeegeeing very strategically because of the hood being so big. We had to pre-stretch a little bit.
About how much space do you need to overlap it?
We just needed to go like 1/4 of an inch past the body line. This is where I get off. Like, dude, when it's all said and done, just taking the rag. Oh, boy.
What do you think so far, man?
Oh, I love it. That Camo is awesome. It's perfect because everyone does, like, no offense to Shane's Mustang, but everyone does the geometric camo. I've seen that a million times. Everyone does the Arctic camo where it's like white, gray, black, and it's the old stuff. But this is like something totally different.
It is.
It's a different type of camo. It's even got, I mean, it's not even just gray and white. It's blue. I mean, that's really kind of like a gray blue, and this is kind of like a gray, it's like a brownish tan. Yeah. So it's definitely something different, which I like.
He likes it.
It's gonna look good. It's gonna look good.
Nobody cares if he actually likes it. This is for us.
Dude, I thought I just fucking
Oh my god, have you heard this thing yet?
No. Is it
Dude, start it up. I'm here.
Alright.
the floor.
Yeah.
Should I get any on your camera?
No.
Oh. That was gonna be like added effects, just splatter on the area.
We're almost done.
How much more is there left to do?
The rest of this, gonna do the front doors. That's everything.
We're gonna have some awesome sound on this video.
What?
Awesome sound.
Yeah.
The polisher going in the background.
Let's try the video over here.
He just doesn't care.
The video sucks, it's his fault.
Yeah, exactly. Everybody go to Troy's channel. Thumbs down. All the videos.
You're doing a good job, Curtis.
Thanks, bro.
What do you think, man? You liking it?
I was when I first walked in here, I couldn't believe how good it looks. This thing is nuts looking. The camo is just perfect. Better than I thought it was gonna look. Dude, this thing is actually coming out.
It does look really nice.
Oh no, I love it. Because like everybody, my big thing with the camo was not doing gray, black, and white. You know, like most Arctic camos. But this is almost like a bluish gray, and then you got kind of like a brownish, greenish gray and white. I just think I think it looks really cool. We'll have to ask the people what they think. I'm very happy.
Awesome, man.
And Shane's doing a killer job. Shane's been working. I mean, he did this entire truck, which is not small.
Good work, man.
Hold on, I gotta be a part of this if you're racing.
I was gonna say, I ride with Shane.
There's a race going on. I heard there's a race going on right now.
There might be. I don't know. I don't know if we're serious or not.
So what?
I think it's louder than your other car.
This sauce. That McLaren don't want none of this sauce. Not today, not tomorrow, not next week.
I thought you guys were seriously gonna race.
We will. On the 15th, Lawrence. That'll give me time to do more to my car. It'll probably be canned by then. I'll go really loose.
days this weekend, man.
My favorite purse.
Well, you better hope your boo-boo bear gets it done.
So it takes a lot longer.
Yep. Unfortunately, you just got to do like 18 by 18 chunks because you can't go any more than that or you lose your cutting power. So, Turtle wins the race on this.
I can spray paint that jerry can white.
Yeah.
I know.
I just think it's ingenious. Now, I wish it would be like that's what I found out.
Oh, it's perfect.
I know, I'm saying the same thing.
I just can't believe how cool it looks. Especially like the back is my favorite part, the bedside. It's just fucking awesome.
What do you like best about that?
Just the way it's like the pattern's kind of bigger up here and it gets smaller as it goes back. And just the pattern all together really looks so good.
Kurt's good.
Whitener sees this video. What's going on?
Curtis, you got it in the middle. Yep.
Are we all of this?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Dude, even this is gonna be a stretch, man. Oh, it's heavy. Alright.
Oh, I gotta get. I think I'm out. I have no.
No, I can
Ready?
We're going 1, 2, 3 lift.
Alright. One. Curtis,
Gotta get some.
come on, boy. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Nice. Complete makeover.
Yes, it is. Well, we always change up our stickers when we do a wrap. That's our thing. Got to.
Bro, sweet dirty max like that.
Looks kind of sick.
It does. What do you think? We should leave dirty max like that?
I think this thing's pretty clean looking. Maybe it should be called a clean max now.
Max. The clean max. We gotta think of a name. We can have an Arctic Max. Brain stuff.
Man, think about it. Something starts with a D.
Just create your own thing, man.
It's gotta have max at the end. Oh, do you think Arctic? Fucking polar bear.
The polar bear.
Polar max.
Polar bag. I like polar. Something with polar.
Yeah. Polar speed.
Polar speed.
Enough.
Who has my torch now? Mike, do you still have it up there?
No.
These guys, they can't even keep a hold of their tools. Look at this. I'm right here.
Troy.
I'm good to go. Shut up.
I missed you.
Oh, miss you too, buddy. That's how we flirt.
The amount of soot back here is so shit.
Wow, that's a diesel.
Well, and it's dumped underneath the cab, so all
Yeah.
the soot comes out of here. This is terrible.
Yeah, out of all your cars, your truck needs ceramic coating.
I should have expelled my whole truck. That's the expel job I just sold you out there in the parking lot, Shane.
The whole truck.
Which ones are you doing? All three of those.
Yep. And the dirty max.
Is the StreetSpeed717 one going on the truck? Or
These will all be going on the back window,
nice.
as well as the dirty max.
That'll look awesome.
I saw it. You're doing it. I'm very proud of you. If that's work, I'm very proud.
Where are you gonna put the street speed one?
The street speed and Inshane are going in the middle, and everything else will go on the sides.
Same spot for the Dirty Max and the American.
No, I'm gonna go on the left side this time for the Duramax driver's side. A little bit of a change.
Inshane design, StreetSpeed717, do it again.
Fuck yeah. Always collabing.
That's what she never said.
I love winter camo. Winter camo is awesome. Like, I hate the cold, but if I had to be like one sniper, I would be like one of those like snipers that like chills up in like the Swedish mountain, like pops people off. And, like,
Reminds me of James Bond.
Yeah.
Just get both your cars ready for winter.
Well, I'm strongly considering it, seeing how fucking awesome that Duramax looks. Black accents. Yeah, I'm about it. I can see it. Can you imagine Duramax?
Let's get Nick over here.
Yeah, that's his Camaro.
Yeah.
We'll all just have matching camo.
Numbers on it.
Yeah. That'd be pretty sweet. This car already kind of blends in anyways.
You already have a winter car.
Yeah, I got a winter. I got a snowmobile. Hey, it has a winter mode, but
It's so odd. It's on what I have a garage. Like,
boom!
see more for that or on the doesn't matter, whatever you want.
That's fire.
One more sticker, right? That's it?
Yeah, two more.
Yeah, it's more.
How are we doing this?
Flag on top of it. Yeah, whatever. You're not gonna hurt it, so. Oh, it's dead, by the way. Otherwise, I'd say you can go ahead and drive around too. It finally blew up. This is the last piece of the puzzle, man.
Top of the right versus.
There's no turning back now.
Nope. This thing's fucking sick.
No, it's savage.
It is savage.
You know what?
Max,
Hey,
D-Max
you want
is
to
savage.
make it even more savage? You need
Is that the name?
You need to pull the Adams polishes, boy, and you need to make a winter camo sweatshirt.
Oh, don't worry. We got
We got.
Don't worry. Tell them I'm here. Like change it out of
Done.
Yeah, well, I'm kind of bummed about that because we had already been mentioning it, and then they go and freaking do that. It's
Yeah.
like,
Dang, nailed it. Yeah, but that wasn't winter camo. It was just black and white camo.
yeah, it's,
This is winter
This is
camo.
more winter than just
And then,
black.
yeah.
dude, those stickers are hot.
Hell yeah, they are.
That's it, man. It's the final product.
Dude,
What are we calling her?
I don't know, man.
All right, we're still
Arctic Max.
yeah, we're still thinking of a cool name
Still working up
to
names.
call it. But
But it doesn't. The name doesn't fucking matter. The car looks amazing.
truck thing.
Whatever.
Same thing. Dude, I get criticized.
Whoa. That's it.
Say, no, okay.
Dude,
That concludes StreetSpeed717's Dirty Max truck wrap.
Thanks, Shane.
Yeah, no problem. What do you think? You happy?
I'm very happy.
You
It's the
ecstatic?
best rap you've done, I
Pumped.
think.
All right, so now we gotta put out some cool hoodies.
We gotta come
For
out
winter.
with some matching merch, man.
Some matching merch.
Nice. Hell yeah, brother.
Some cell phone covers,
Yep.
hoodies, hats, posters.
I don't know.
Oh, so
Yeah, it'd be sick. Now it's time to clean up.
I got it. Oh, I'll have to come back, so Curtis will go.
Oh,
We'll go. I'll clean up that.
You guys going on your hot date now?
Yep, Curtis.
hot day.
So Curtis should take that car. Well, I gotta film this.
Are we done?
All right.
Have fun.
Well, no, I'm gonna film
Hey,
it.
easy guys. Be safe. Be safe out there.
Now you match with sunglasses.
Streets are watching.
Shane?
Looking it out. Job well done.
Job well done.
Job well done.
Hey, how does it feel wrapping the whole front by yourself? No, fucking Curtis did a great job.
Curtis is
Curtis killed himself.
Yeah.
today. And Dan, he's back here.
Dan.
Hey,
Troy did a great job
Troy's back
watching.
No, he was working on the GTR.
I was working on the GTR.
Forget about the. I'm trying to talk about the truck, and you're talking about a fucking Nissan. Now this thing turned out absolutely amazing. I love it. Everything about it. The size of the camo works perfectly with the truck. Also, that was Dan's doing. The sizing of the camo. It's not too small.
All right, we'll exit out. I'll exit out while he's talking. All right, well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. It's a wrap here at Inshane Design. Have a good weekend.